Uh-oh. Wait!
What is it?
I can't steam. And I lost my peep because I'm out of water.
I'm a diesel, so I don't need water. Catch me if you can.
That's it. Sorry, cows, but we gotta hurt rusty rail spikes. I have the hiccups.
Hey, Thomas. Is there like a really big chicken around here?
No, it's me. I took on water too fast, and I think I got the hiccups. So bad, I can't do the delivery.
Oh, I hear steam blasts help. Like this.